In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an event calendar in Elementor. It's a straightforward process, and if you follow along, you'll have a sleek, functional calendar on your WordPress site in no time. First off, let's get started by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your home base for making changes to your site, so go ahead and enter your login credentials to access the admin panel. Once you're logged in, ensure that both Elementor and a calendar plugin are installed and activated on your WordPress site. Elementor is an incredibly powerful tool that makes it super easy to create beautiful pages with its simple drag and drop functionality. As for the calendar plugin, there are quite a few options available, like the events calendar, that you can use based on your preferences. Now, navigate to the page or post where you want to add your calendar. This could be your home page, events page, or any other place you think a calendar would be beneficial. Click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will open up the Elementor editor, taking you to a clean canvas where you can start designing your page elements. In the Elementor panel, you'll want to look for the Events Calendar widget or a similar widget provided by your chosen calendar plugin. This widget allows you to insert the calendar feature effortlessly. Simply search for it in the panel, and once you find it, click and drag it onto your page canvas where you'd like it to appear. Once you drop the widget onto your page, you'll see that a settings panel opens up. This is where you can start customizing your calendar. You can choose from a range of presets depending on your desired styling. You can also select the source for your events, whether it's an existing event database or a new set that you're planning to add. Adding events is straightforward. You can do this directly from the settings panel by filling in the relevant event details like the title, date, and location. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking to keep your site dynamic and up to date with the latest events. Moreover, you have the flexibility to customize the look and feel of the calendar. You can adjust settings like the default view, whether it's monthly, weekly, or daily at a glance. Plus, you can set the first day of the week according to your needs. These customization options are particularly useful to match your calendar to the aesthetic of your site and ensure optimal functionality for your visitors. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an event calendar to your Elementor page. With Elementor's intuitive interface and the powerful capabilities of your calendar plugin, keeping your audience informed about your events has never been easier. Remember, updating and maintaining the information on your calendar is key to keeping your site engaging and relevant. With this tool at your disposal, you'll be well on your way to managing events with style and efficiency.